everybody, I'm going to teach you real quick how to back up a trailer and where your hand positioning is going to make the trailer go. So what you're going to want to do is, if you have your hands on top, the trailer is going to go the opposite of what you turn. So I have my livestock trailer back there. We're about to move and go put it away. Let's look in that mirror over there. So put this in gear. I'm going to turn to the right. My trailer is going to go back to the left. So let's pull forward again, and then we'll do it the other way. So if I turn to the left, trailer is going to go to the right. See that? However, if you have your hands at the bottom of the steering wheel, whichever direction you turn is which way the trailer is going to go. So if your hands are at the bottom and you are kind of just wiggling it like this, you're going to the right, that's which way your trailer is going to go. So we'll just pull this forward again, and we'll demonstrate it going to the left. Alright, so steering wheel to the left, from the bottom. If you're doing it like that, I don't know who would do it like that, but I think that's kind of weird. So for me, I like to do it from the top. And so I like to use the opposite method. So we're going to back up. Just going to back up normal. I see my trash can over there. And there's my mailbox. Don't want to hit that. But if you see, I'm just kind of slightly steering to the right to make my trailer go to the left. We're going to get up here. And then right once I past where my mailbox is, I'm going to kind of cut it hard so I can go down the street. There we go. You see it turning. There we go. Easy peasy. I'm gonna probably hit my trash can because it's in my driveway. It's my fault for leaving it there when I went to back up. Actually, I didn't hit it. That was nice. So there you go. You see? Just pulled right back into the street. Good to go. So that's a quick, easy tip on how to back up a trailer. Don't stress out about it. Just take your time. It'll be just fine. You guys have a good one.